Hello there, fellow OCD viewers. I just got the Fidget Cube in the mail. First, I need to say a few things. Number one, this is not the real Fidget Cube that you saw on Kickstarter. This is a fake and most likely will break within no time. But the real one will be shipped in like a few months. And this cheap knockoff was really cheap, so told myself to just get it. Second is that I personally never got diagnosed for OCD, but I am type of person whom always, drumming on tables and playing with staples and stuff like that. So especially when I'm stressed, this is sort of the things that I truly need. So let's see what's in the box. It says here this is for work, class, home. This is mostly crap, use it for whenever you need it. You can click it, spin it, flip it, glide, roll, and breathe. Don't know what that means, but let's open it and see. It's packed well. Okay. So that you spin. I read that on this part here, one or two buttons are not clickable for a reason. I didn't go into details what's up with that, but this is actually feeling pretty fine. It's going to last. It's going to last at least a few more months. At least until the real Fidget Cube will arrive from the order of Kickstarter. So this is the fake Fidget Cube, not the original. If you want to try it, I got it on eBay. I think it was for like $5 or $6 including shipping. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.